Good evening, welcome to today's weather report. I am Juliet Alitubeera from Uganda National Meteorological Authority. The rainfall report received by 9 a.m. this morning indicates Tororo with the highest of 34.6 millimeters, Entebbe 7.8 millimeters, Soroti at 4.8 and Jinja at 4 millimeters. When we take a look at the radar images taken early this morning, it indicates rainfall over the lake and areas around the lake. For central and areas around Lake Choga, we still experienced light rains. Later in the afternoon, we've had rains in the western sector and still for areas around Lake Victoria Basin, plus areas near Elgon Mountain. The satellite image taken over Africa and parts of East Africa indicate that we still have those moist winds from Congo that are pushing in towards the western sector of Uganda, contributing to the wet activities. We also have a push of the southeasterlies from Indian Ocean towards our country, also contributing to the kind of weather that we are experiencing in Uganda. For tomorrow morning, we shall have light rains for areas around Lake Victoria Basin, and this is what is expected, plus some areas in Lira. Elsewhere, we are expecting sunny intervals. Later in the afternoon, we expect a pickup of light rain still for the western sector, parts in the central and the northern region. Elsewhere, we shall expect sunny intervals. The temperatures are expected to rise to 29 degrees centigrade for the northern, for Karamoja at 28, around Lake Victoria Basin a range of 25 to 28 degrees centigrade, Kasese at 29 degrees and Kabale 23 degrees centigrade. Elsewhere across the globe, we are expecting Doha to have sunny conditions together with Dubai at 41 degrees centigrade in Doha, that's Qatar. For Nairobi, cloudy conditions, and London, sunny conditions and a temperature of 16 degrees centigrade. Thank you for keeping me company. Join us tomorrow for another edition of the Weather Report. Have a wonderful night ahead.